I'm gonna show you how to custom blur your YouTube video while in Chrome. It's a new thing you have to do now with the space bar. So first you go to the video, hit edit, and go to enhancements. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the volume. Then you go to blurring effects, go to custom blurring and hit edit. And make sure you read it. Says hit the space key to play or pause the video. I was trying to pause it by hitting it in the middle and that didn't work. So I'm gonna turn the volume down. And first of all, what you want to do is grab it right here and drag it to the spot you want and hit the space bar to pause it, and then highlight what you want to blur. And I'm gonna zoom in down here so I can get a more precise setting. And I'm moving things around to, like I said, to get a more precise setting. Hit the space bar again and it'll start playing again. I'm gonna hit the pause space bar and I'm gonna move my settings. I'm gonna hit the space bar again to start playing. Once I get to where I want to stop, I'm gonna hit the space bar to stop the playing. So now I'm gonna hit the space bar and then I'm gonna drag it to where I want to end the blur. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and also visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Thank you and have a great day.